Hello and a very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the month of November. The first day of the month of November, we are looking at oil prices dropping to a low of just about $33.80 US WTI this morning. So it was a big drop from just a couple of days ago when oil prices was at a high of about over here was at a high of $41.57 just back on 20th of October. Okay, so over the last 2 weeks or so, oil prices have dropped by $8.15, largely due to the fact that COVID 19 cases are surging in the US, Europe, and of course, France and the UK has gone into lockdown again. So, this definitely will have a dent on the demand for crude oil. Okay, crude oil prices dropping. So, for crude oil, this was this morning's lowest point. In the short term, we could be looking at $34.50, which was over here as the current support levels, and moving to the higher side. If it does form very strong 1 hour bullish chart patterns, we could see oil prices touching 37 US dollars. However, again, keep an eye out on the daily on a daily basis. Look at the 1 hour charts, whether the 1 hour charts are showing us a bearish chart pattern, or if it does go up, we are going to be looking for bullish chart patterns before it goes up. Okay, so $34, and on the downside, if there's still further bearish momentum on the 1 hour charts, we could be looking at oil prices going down to even test $32 levels. Okay, but again, make sure you keep an eye out on the 1 hour charts. Okay, aside from oil prices dropping this morning, the main events will be the US elections, which is happening on Tuesday, 3rd of November. Of course, this 3rd of November will be the US time. So currently, Joe Biden is leading Donald Trump by 51% to 43% based on the latest polls taken. Okay, it's still going to be a tricky affair as the winner will need to win 270 electoral states in order to become the president of the USA. So, focusing back on today's economic calendar, we will be having the manufacturing PMI numbers or reports coming up from Europe, the UK, and also from US tonight. And rest assured, with these reports coming out tonight, even though the US elections is just 2 days away, we will still see the impact of these manufacturing PMI reports on the markets today. Okay, specifically for the US dollar index and also major currency pairs such as the UK pound and also the euro dollar. Okay, so a quick recap again: US dollar has been bullish for last Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and currently it is looking to test or break 94.13 levels. There's a high chance it will break and move further up a bit. The next target price or resistance levels to the upside will be towards not too far off 94.26 levels, and of course further up would be 94.57 levels. Okay, again, watch out for the 1 hour chart patterns. And with the US dollar being bullish for the last three market days, we do see the UK pound trading in a bearish channel. Okay, trading downwards, and of course on Friday it did move up to test this bearish trend line again at 1.2883 levels, and then after it dropped back another 60 pips. Okay, so euro dollar wise, it's also bearish as the US dollar was strengthening on Friday evening, and of course gold prices pulled back down from 1,890 all the way to 1,874 as the US dollar was strengthening over the last Friday evening. Okay, so what we are looking at now is for gold prices to consolidate between um, this bullish uptrend line and also testing the recent highs of 1890. It does manage to break this. If it does manage to break this recent resistance, the next target prices will be at 1900, and then after at 1910. Okay, currently, it's still looking very quiet for the gold prices, although it has moved up about 10 US dollars this morning. Okay, so again, always use the US dollar index as a reference. Dollar is still very much bullish, so we could see the UK pound or even the euro dollar pushing down further. Oil prices has hit a multi-month low, at 33 dollars and 80 cents this morning. So it could be going for consolidation at the moment. Okay, and of course, the Canadian dollar hit the resistance. USD CAD hit the resistance of 1.3368, and then after that, push back down 40 pips this morning. Last but not least, the U.S. Equities or U.S. Major U.S. indices, S&P 500, Dow Jones, and also the Nasdaq has been trading in a consolidative fashion ever since last Friday. Um, well, one cycle down, push up support. I mean, hit the support, push back up. Second cycle, push back down again. Okay, third cycle, and again the fourth cycle pushing back up again. Okay, so very clearly the S&P 500 and Dow Jones is in a consolidative range, definitely awaiting the outcome of the US elections. Okay, so again, US elections is going to happen in about 2 days, in about 24 to 48 hours. However, keep an eye out for the usual daily economy data also, which will also have some impact on the markets. And this week is going to be a very busy week. We have the FOMC, US FOMC statement coming out on Thursday or Friday early morning, Malaysia and Singapore time. Okay. So again, always understand the market movement and behavior. Just before you key the buy or sell, understand the behaviors, the sentiment, and also understand the support and resistances. So have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you, everyone. Take care.